hot already. This is the baby one.
All right, Hot Ones Challenge VP Edition. We've got Dr. Mike.
Red roses too.
Got Pat Thomas.
These are hot.
The Russell.
Oh wow, it just doesn't get any cooler. Oh my goodness, there's no relief.
What was your favorite toy growing up?
I'm going with a boy toy. I mean, no, not really a boy toy. What's 7 plus 7?
Very funny, very funny.
My nose is glistening.
And I say to myself, and we can drink the milk, right?
Nope, no drinking. What a wonderful world.
Good night, folks. Good night, folks. Drink a lot of milk. Nice leap of heat.
Holy shiz, that's hot. That sucked. My mouth is really
You
hot.
didn't say kind.